Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share some happy mail from the Stamps of Life. It's actually my card club kit. Yeah, card club kit that I receive monthly from them. And let's dig in. And I'm especially excited because I think this is the month that starts our they're throwing in some bonus dies for the rest of this year monthly. And they're supposed to be good bleep dies. So let's dig in and check it out. Ooh, let's see. I just blocked the light out a little bit. I wonder if I can zoom out a little. Okay. Check it. So first, right here, is the sentiment stamp that comes in the club kit. Every month there is a sentiment stamp. It says smile, hey, you, enjoy, and happy. Love. They always come with a card that has inspiration on it, and you can go to their website in the gallery and find much more. How cute are these turtles? We got this stamp and die set earlier in the month if you're in the Die Hard Club. And see, your free gifts for May. Enjoy. Oh my gosh. So it is a hippo. So cute. And the baby and the mommy. And a bird. And a flower. I'm not sure if this is a branch or a spray, but and it comes with the shadow dies. Yeah. So this was free. Oh my gosh, and I needed one of these rectangle dies, and it's the stitch one. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Woohoo! Yeah, so this was free too. So if you guys join their club, you'll get in on these benefits for the rest of the year as well. And then there's cute flat backs. They're little like resin pieces. So cute. And then this flower die, and usually the die cuts out something in the paper pad. So let's check out the paper pad. This is the paper pad. Comes with 24 sheets, double-sided. Thank you. Also, very thick and sturdy. Hear it? But yeah, oh, I see flowers. So see, there's the turtles, and we have the die to cut these out as well if you were in the die club. I don't even know why I'm holding the pad crooked. Special friend, aww. And you can see the backside, yeah. But love the colors. Love me some green. So yeah, that's that. So that's the paper pad. You saw the die. It comes with a shadow. Also, this die, special friend, it says, and it's a shadow piece as well. 2 things of trim, ribbon. Green and blue. And then I think this is just I don't know what this is. What is this? It's just an inspiration book. And then you also get these. They're chipboard pieces with sentiments. Celebrate your special day. Always thinking of you. Congratulations, you rock. Another year, another birthday. Happy anniversary to you. Yay, hooray, let's party. You're pure sunshine. Together is my favorite way to be. Today is the best day ever. Cute. Chipboard pieces. And then got vinyl puffy stickers. These flowers, cute. And then this scalloped trim. And these are probably clouds. Cute. And then, you know, in every kit you get cardstock and this nice envelope to hold your project in, as well as A2 size card envelopes. So these are the color cardstocks that came in this club. Oh, I like those colors. Look at it. And this is thick cardstock too. I don't know what the weight is, but you know, same like the paper pad. Good quality, good quality. So yeah, this was my club set for this month, which is May. If you guys want to score free stuff, go check them out. They are the Stamps of Life. They are here on YouTube as well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I will try to answer them the best I can. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. And until the next video, shakas.